my dear friends, Santosh here. How are you all? I hope you all are good and healthy. Okay friends, today we discuss topic relief. It's from geography. Okay, relief. Okay, what's the meaning of relief in geography? Okay, in geography, relief means the difference between highest and the lowest point, elevation or height in it refers to topography and can be shown on the map using counter lines. The difference in elevation between nearby points, usually within a given area, is called local relief. Okay, relief divided into three ranks. Okay, first one, rank relief, second rank relief, third rank relief. Okay, in first rank relief, continent and ocean are included in this relief. Okay, second rank relief, plateau, mountain, plains are example. Third rank relief, erosional and depositional topography, example river, water, wind, glacier. Mountain. These are the second rank relief on the earth's surface and their height is minimum 1000 meter and their peak is conical. Okay, but Panyun range of Britain include in mountain category, but their height is less than 1000 meter. But in India, Nilgiri, Vindhya, Satpura, Parshutnathu, etc. include in hills, but their height is more than 1000 meter. Okay, in simple words about mountain, a mountain is an elevated portion of the earth crust, generally with the steep sides that show significant exposed bedrock. A mountain differs from a plateau in having a limited summit area and is larger than a hill, typical rising at the least 300 meter 1000 feet above the surrounding land. Okay, classification of mountain. Classification of mountain in there are three bases. Okay, first one, on the basis of origin, on the basis of position and event of mount origin. Okay, first one, tectonic mountain, block mountain, horse mountain, volcanic or cumulative mountain, mountain relict. Okay, on the basis of position they are divided into two parts: terrestrial mountain, oceanic mountain. Near coast, far away from the coast, interior mountain. And event of mount origin, third one, Caledonian mountain, Precambrian mountain, and here mountain alpine or tertiary mountain. Near coast mountain or a coastal mountain, those mountains situated near coast, for example Western Ghat, Eastern Ghat, or in worldwide Rockies and Andes, Great Dividing Range in Australia. Okay, in simple words about coastal mountain. The coastal mountains are the major mountain range in the Pacific coast ranges of western North America, extending from southwestern Yukon through the Alaska Panhandle and virtually all of the coast of British Columbia south to the Fraser River. Okay, interior mountain, those mountains situated in interior part of the nation, for example in India, Vindhya, Satpura, Aravalli, in world, Himalaya, Arun, Kandu, etc. Okay. Friends, in simple words, the interior mountains or the northern interior mountains are the semi-official names for an expansive collection of mountain ranges. The comprises much of the northern half of the Canadian province of the British Columbia and a large area of southern Yukon. Okay. Okay. Tectonic mountain, they are also known as a fold mountain. These are youngest fold mountain in the world. These are highest mountain range. Example, Andes is the longest mountain range in the world. They look like an arc. They originate due to motive and compressive force. They originate from geosynclinal. They originate due to convergence of plates. For example, Himalayan formed due to the subduction of Indian plate into a Tibetan plate. Similarly, Rockies and Andes are the formed Juan de Fuca and Nazca Plate subduction into the North America and South America, whereas Atlas and the Alps originate due to subduction of American plate into Eurasian plate. Okay, now we discussed tectonic mountain in simple words. Mountains form where two continental plates collide. Since both plates have similar thickness and weight, neither one will sink under the other. Instead, they crumble and fold until the rocks are forced up to form a mountain range. Anticlinals and synoclines are found in the mountains. Okay, first we discuss meaning of syncline and the anticlinals. Okay, in a syncline, the youngest beds, the ones that were originally on the top of the rest of the beds, are at the center along the axis of the fold. Anticlinals and synoclines form in the section of crust that are undergoing compression, places where the crust is being pushed together. Okay friends, see the diagram. Anticlinals and synoclines. Okay, see, this is the diagram of that. Okay, and see the diagram of fold mountain. See, this is a mountain and this is a plateau. This is a fold mountain and this is a geosyncline. Okay, structurally their interior part made by igneous rock, middle part in metamorphic rock, upper part has sedimentary rocks. Okay, see the diagram. First part is sedimentary rocks and this one is metamorphic rock, and it's a small, which are igneous. Okay, a fold mountain usually display more than one type of fold, and anticlinals and the synoclines are the most common up and down folds that result from the compression, and the anticline has a shape with the oldest rock in the center of the fold. Okay, now we discuss geosyncline. Geosyncline is a linear trough of the subsidences of the earth's crust within which vast amount of sediment accumulated. The filling of a geosyncline with thousands or the tens of the thousands of feet of sediment is commented in the late stage of the deposition of folding, crumpling and faulting of the deposition. Look at here, this is a folding. See here. Okay, this is a fold mountain. Okay, for example, Himalaya, it is in India, Nepal. Alps, it's in Europe. Atlas in Africa. MG in South Africa. Rocky in America. Okay, see the diagram of map. It's a Vindhyachal, and it's a Narmada, and it's a Satpura, and it's a Tapi. Okay, now see the diagram here. It's a Vindhyan, and downwards it is a Narmada, and it's a block mountain. See, is a Satpura, and downwards it's a Tapi. Okay, and this one is Akshat. Okay, thank you friends. Thank you very much for seeing my video. Okay, see you again in my next video. Okay, bye bye. See you again.